Nothing symbolizes a fun, luxurious lifestyle better than a yacht floating in a clear blue ocean. And the yacht industry is constantly pushing the envelope to redefine a yacht. The Yacht Island Design Group, based out of the UK, has created a tropical island paradise yacht concept which is simply stunning. As the name suggests, you essentially have a tropical island on the yacht itself. Guest cabanas are laid out around the pool, and if you're the lucky owner, your suite is inside a volcano. A waterfall flows from the volcano into the swimming pool. Inside, there's a fully equipped spa, library, gym, cinema, game room, and multiple lounges. Want to get closer to water? A deployable beach deck gives you ocean access for various water activities or lounging around in a different setting. And if you don't want to leave your helicopter behind or flying a guest over, the deck at the rear end can be used as a helicopter landing pad. So what do you think? Is this close to a dream yacht? What else would you want in your perfect yacht?